How to wax a snowboard in a hotel room. A screwdriver to loosen the bindings, a scraper, I use a metal one and a plastic one, buffing Brillo pad, a small iron, 2 trash bags, and some good wax. This is just all temperature wax from One Ball J. It smells really amazing. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. The last thing that's the most important are snowboard boots. So if you take your snowboard boot and put them on each end of your snowboard, it provides you a really good bench to work on. Because when you're doing a quick wax like this, you don't really need to put the wax on the very tip and tail of your snowboard. Those areas can be hard to scrape. The more wax you put on, the more you have to scrape off. Putting on the wax is the fun part. Now it's the hard part, scraping the wax back off. I've spread out a garbage bag, and then I have a secondary garbage bag here to push the shavings into. So I'm going to start from one end, do a third, scrape those into the garbage bag, do another third, scrape it in, and at the end, finish it off. Scraped as much as I can. I use the bristle pad. Spots that feel a little sticky, just work through them and get the rest of the wax off. There, now that the bottom of the board is all waxed up, just have to tighten the bindings back on and then we're all set. That was easy. Just make sure you bring the essential tools, keep the amount of wax at a small amount, and the final part is just keep your mess contained. Like this hardwood floor here, I feel like it's going to be a little slippery when I'm done. That's it, you're finished.